Hello class, it's me again, Miss Lan Anh. Alright, okay, so now I and you will read the story about the bee and the shapes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, are you ready? Yes, right. Now, look at the picture one. Read the story. What can you see? Can you see a bee? A yellow bee, right? Yellow and black bee, right? And look at this. Now, let's read. I see a bee. The bee is on the tree. The tree, right? The tree. The tree is green. The bee is black and yellow. The bee has a pot. A pot. The bee likes honey in the pot, right? Okay, one more time. Now, I see a bee. The bee is on the tree. The tree is green. The bee is black and yellow. The bee has a pot. The bee likes honey. Wow, right? A bee. Next, how many shapes can you see? How many? One, two, three, four. I can see four shapes, right? Okay, let's read about the shapes. Okay, meet the shapes. Terry triangle, Terry triangle. Look at me, look at me. Count my size, count my size. There are three, there are three. One side, two sides, three sides, right? Next, Sammy Square, Sammy Square. That's my name. That's my name. I have four sides. I have four sides. They're all the same. They're all the same. One size, two sides, three sides, and four sides. They are all the same, right? All right, right. It's a square. Okay. Ruby rectangle, Ruby rectangle. I have four sides. I have four sides. Two are long. Two are long. Two are short. Two are short. It's a rectangle, right? A rectangle has four sides. One, two, three, and four. So two are long, two long, and two are short. Two short, right? Now, Cindy circle, Cindy circle. Just one line. Just one line. Make it round. Make it round. That is fine. That is fine. Oh, it's a circle. Just one line, right? And it is rất là tròn đúng không các bạn? Ok, round rất là tròn, right? Ok, vậy bài này chúng ta nói về 4 cái hình, right? Về triangle có 3 cạnh này, right? One side, two sides, three sides, right? Rồi về square có mấy cạnh? One, two, three, four sides, right? Và tất cả những cái cạnh này đều bằng nhau, right? Rồi về rectangle cũng có one, two, three, four, có 4 cạnh và có 2 cạnh dài và 2 cạnh ngắn. Ok. Circle thì chỉ có một đường thôi, right? Và nó rất là tròn. Ok. Rồi các con đọc lại hai bài này cho cô nha. Ok, goodbye and see you.